everyone, it's Sam here at the Vivint Demo House, and today I'm going to show you how to change the batteries in your smart thermostat, so you're never left out in the cold. Let's get started. The Vivint Smart Thermostat gives you complete control over the heating and cooling of your home, and all its features are powered by 4 non-rechargeable AA batteries that need to be changed out occasionally. When Smart Thermostat is low on power, you'll receive a notification via the Vivint Smart Hub. That's your cue to swap out the batteries as soon as possible, and here's how to get that done. Remove your thermostat from the mounting plate by pulling toward you. Then remove the old batteries and dispose of them safely. Before adding the new batteries, wait at least 30 seconds. With your new batteries installed, remount the smart thermostat to your mounting plate. That's it! You're all done and ready to enjoy all of the amazing features of the Vivint Smart Thermostat. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe by clicking the bell notifications so you know when we upload new content. Bye for now!